barking at Zeusy? He's Is he trying to get your baby, Zeus? Oh. Tell him, Percy. Tell him. Oh, Percy. Oh, so much attitude. Careful. You know, go tell Zeusy. Go tell him. Go tell him. Tell him, bring the toy back, Zeusy. Oh, tell him. Oh my goodness, little boy. Oh, little boy. So much personality, little Percy. We got the pillow down there just in case you get to jump off, huh? No chewing on that pillow. Hey, no chewing on that. Thank you. No chewing. Thank you. So we get you a toy. Oh. Oh. Oh no. What was he telling you, Zeusy, huh? Telling you he's gonna get your toy? You too. Oh, tell him, Zeusy. Oh my goodness, Percy. You telling him all about it, Percy?